So, welcome back to bar 22, and hopefully I calm down after a break. Let's take a look on the progress, should we? So, the control manager almost done. We need just to finish the map simulator BART, save and load and everything, which is actually in here. So, silly me. And then we need to do several stuff like let's do code cleanup. Actually, we will do the code cleanup before finishing the part of the map simulator part, because you see these two doesn't save and load yet. And before we forgot, the side tag should be save and load. What else? We have few things to do, and actually this is the big picture thing. We shouldn't add these here, but let's leave the arrow here. And what was this? Yeah, let's. No, we have a page for that. Yeah, here. Wait, I haven't used this one for a while. Yeah, we will do that later. Actually, I almost forgot about that. I'm glad that I put some notes for myself in here. So, yeah. Oh, this is not the Visual Studio IDE. Yeah, I see. I'm still not that fucking calm, but work is work. We need to work at least 3 hours daily, and I have only 1 hour left. And hopefully, I will work more, just like yesterday, because I have been messing up the system a lot, and I have been wasting a lot of time right and left. I was learning, but I feel I'm taking too much time. I fear I will miss the bus again. Like I was missing the bus since 2002 or something. And I'm getting sick of missing the buses, you know? So I don't want to lose this chance too. So, and this is the first commercial project I ever done. Well, second. Third. Okay, shut up. But both of the previous two weren't. Yeah. 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 So, but this is the really first real big business thing I'm trying to do. So I don't want to screw up this one too. So game engine, character movement. I don't know how to write movement. Should be by float. Use float to move characters in game engine. And we should get rid of the 7 thing. In physics class, no. In the graffiti, check the ground solidity in a better way. I mean, just checking the exact below block without calculating the height of the character or anything. We need to fix that. Um, what else? Oh yes. Um, add a weapon so Walker can equip it. Okay, whatever. And this, we need to separate the weapon from the game, from the picture. Before I do the aiming and everything and the weapon, let's do something more important. Implement the animation in the game engine, and that's required to implement the time per frame. 6. Implement the image flags from animation data, which will let me print the images, what do you call it, reversed, horizontal, or whatever. At least the reverse ones. Yeah. Now we need to what do I need to do? Move Walker hands when he aim up or down. 7. Implement attack in game engine. So I believe before I finish the first step or something, I will find 1 million things to do before I can do these, as usual. This is a lesson that I learned. That's why I want to make bigger to-do list. So let's check the code and try to clean it up a little bit. I will delay this. Till I finish the stream, because I don't want to deal with the censored page more. But maybe I will. I mean, this is my freaking channel. And I don't think I will hook up any viewer till I get what do you call it? The prototype first. All right. Yes, I'm not super happy with this, but what to do? What to do? So not much to clean because we already cleaned some of the stuff. Sometimes I wish if this idiot doesn't give me these lines for no reason. Yeah, I shouldn't remove these two. And I will keep the debugging thing later. Yeah, I need to be a little bit careful with this clear thing. Because this game required the character to be either on the floor or on the ground. Look at me. Look at me babbling. On the ground or on the air. But not both. So the physics system. Yeah. Alright, what's next? Let's just delete this one. Use the floor to move characters in game engine. Alright. This one actually might screw up a lot of things. So, prepare to hear some anger rant. Because we are going to change a core thing in here. And first of all, let me check if the thing can be accepting. Yeah, take floats after all. Pray to whatever god you worship. I shouldn't say that. Oh well. Hello, Mr. Dizzy. Fix your mind for a second, will ya? Okay, okay. Um, ah. Have you lost your mind, Orvis? Alright. Yeah, this. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Do you know what? Let me just save a clone for this. This one and the map class need a major cleanup actually. But I want to finish everything first. Um, to make sure that this operation, or whatever you call it, casting. And where are we? Map class. Yeah. Crap. Hopefully, yeah. Actually, yeah. Now I start to see a lot of things will get screwed up really bad. Um, Damn it. Well, let's keep on. Maybe the result won't be that bad. These decide the edge of the screen, and if the precision get off, you will see half of the blocks. I mean, you'll see the blocks on the edge might disappear, and hopefully that won't happen. We need to add a buff between them. So hopefully I won't screw up the calculation that much. Oh shit, there's still... This is the draw. Why he's not happy with that? Isn't there a rectangle F for this? You gotta be kidding me. No, there is a rectangle F or something. Alright. I mean, I can keep casting till the cows come home, but... Alright. So, what else? Let's try to do both now. This one is a little bit wacky, but we need... actually, this is not the best way to do it, but just for testing purposes, because we need to concern with the height too. So now it shouldn't fall till you get in the edge exactly. Oh wow, the control is so crappy. I know I shouldn't tune the control yet, but the 18 things is way too much. Let's make it 2, and this one 4, actually 3. Way too crappy. Much better. Now he never falls, like seriously. So yeah, why it didn't work? I wonder. I have no clue. Um, oh wow. Yeah, there's another block. Um, in the front. Funny. Um, because I didn't program jump yet. Yeah, it's precise on the right, but on the left immediately falls. And when I add -1, oh, um, let me think for a second. Yeah, yeah. Damn it. Um, let's try to draw a debugging font. And it should be over everything. Seriously. ABC. Silly you. Oh yes, yes, yes. We need to use the content crap thing. Um, can't I change it? What the hell? Um, can't I change it? Whatever. Um, Yeah, maybe I need to take a quick listen how to do that. Um, I hate myself. Okay, give me a second. I forgot where did I put the content. Um, or how do I use it outside of this idiot? Didn't I send it to the literal thing? Let's initialize the font. Oh, there you go. Initialize content. So it is in the core file. Hmm. So this one load all the images from the game file. Actually, it loaded from the texture 2D based on the, yeah. So we need to add our own custom thing in here for the font. Let me return to the game core. Oh wait, it's the opposite. Oh, okay. Um, it's the opposite. It's the opposite. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? If you cannot understand the flow of your own project, how do you think you can manipulate it? I believe something like that. Maybe I need to mention this in folder. Font. Fonts. Be careful. Alright. So, Wait. Dang it. I'm still. Oh, yeah. You can do this. And take this. And return back to the test game. And put it here actually. After the printing of. Where to begin? Where to begin? Why this thing is called Sprite Patch? The whole thing? Okay. Yep. Load exception, but could not load fonts, debug font asset as a non-content file. What? It's a non-content. Yeah. Let's look at a quick tutorial. Oh. Maybe that's why it didn't save. But I opened the location of the file. Yeah, it should be saved. Let's move this code and put it here. Alright. There you go. So, let me try to get this thing a little bit bigger. Because I don't know. When I used the font on the first oh, maybe it's in the draw itself. It was a little bit different. We add the font in the project itself. It was not like this. It accepts a string builder. Why? I mean, what's the point of this overload? I wonder. Weird. Maybe so you can change the font a lot while you're drawing. Maybe. But it makes a little sense. Maybe it's the scale in here. Yeah, that's a lot of crap. So rotation, let's make it 0. Origin 0. Scale, I don't know. 2. No, there's a way to change the font. I'll check. This is ridiculous. Sprite font. And here, choose sprite font description from the list. And give it a name, bottom. Once you have done this, you'll see the smartphone now show up in your content. Does not have an obvious way editing this file, but it is a simple XML file. Okay. Alright, alright. Didn't see that coming. Symbol. Anyway. Great. This is even worse. So this is the size. Let's make it 26. I don't care about the font. Yes. Alright. So what do we want to print? I completely forgot. Congratulations. Yeah, we needed to get it back to the map, I fear. So great. Now what? The map class is living in different project. But the game core file is not. And I don't want to send that to the parameter every freaking time it throws. Even though it's a pointer, there's no harm in that. The game core file is it's a class. It cannot recognize sprite font object. Great. Think for a second. Well, these things take XNA framework, so yeah, let's add. But you see, I don't want to make a testing thing temporarily. I want to do this experimentally. So I'm thinking about a way. I believe there is no harm to add. Well, hello. Look at that. There is a content and a map content, which is a pointer to the content. So yeah, let's do that. Bedoop. 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 Ta-da! And where's the content? All right. All right. And now what we need to know is actually why did I put this ugly code in the drawing? Am I crazy? Wait. Didn't I put it in? Nope. Alright, let's do ck set x. Oh, come on, don't do that to me. Value set x to a string. So in here, x, no, not from Mega Man, and 0. Oh, I said not from Mega Man. So let's see. Of course. So apparently the pointer is working, but the content hasn't been loaded yet. Oh god. You know, my patience is a little bit below an imaginable level. Um, and actually, let's make them into one line again. Later on, when we have more funds, I won't worry about that. Um, I should call it load content too. Alright. Alright. I believe it's moving by 4, that's why it's um, uh, um, hmm. Do I need the F when I convert? I don't know. One way to find out. Um, 2.2 F. Save. Negative 2.2. Alright, save changes. Move this sucker. Replace the sucker. And run. Yeah, of course. Maybe it doesn't require def. Yeah, I fear these issues. Oh shit. Oh, perfect. But see, sometimes I really hate myself with these issues. Um, what if I move my code to Sony PlayStation or whatever? Won't that create issues? Uh, what about Double? If Double doesn't have this shit, so yeah, this that guy gave it in details, but this guy just yeah, he doesn't care. So we are going to do this, and we are going to remove the F. Oops. First of all, I didn't save that thing. Second of all, I need to change the other side too. Yeah, imagine making 36 sides game or something. Mm, I don't even think about it. Figured. Of course. Well, oh, um, I'm sorry. I forgot to replace the file. And now it has points. Um, so what we are going to do is we are going to print the same thing that the physics engine will see. Let's close the classes that we don't want to deal with now. Objects. I never dealt with objects the whole time. What the hell? So we want to see these numbers. So we are going to test them. don't need to convert into integer. Actually, I do. To see exactly what's going on. And yeah. When I was still learning on object oriented, I didn't understand this fiasco. Um, Putting the parentheses, then the dot operation. I mean, it was new till in the lab. One of the instructors told me, why didn't you put the parentheses and just put the dot and the function? I was like, what? And he just showed me, and he was like surprised, why did I forgot that? He thought I was forgetting that, but the thing is, I didn't know what is that, or it's that possible. So it became 3. Now it's 2. But you see, alright, seems correct. Seems correct. So let's yeah, add -1 in here. So this is should be the block, this one. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So it's kind of correct. 3, 4. Okay. Well, I see. So that's why when I put both of them, it doesn't work, because he checked both all the time. So we need to do it in a different way. So yeah, this requires a little bit more thinking, I guess. The thing is, I solved this issue before, and silly me, how did I forget how? I solved it when I done the pushing the rock thing on a game. Well, it wasn't that general, I guess. So if you push it on the corner, you cannot cross it. Same with the floor. If you put down, you don't cross it. But yeah, so this one is working. So I need to figure out how to do it. Now I don't have X anymore. I mean, I don't have integers anymore. I have floats. And I'm trying to do floats because I want the character to move smoothly. You see? So alright, big boy, 4 minutes. Can you do this in 4 minutes? At least you saw what's going on, so... Yeah, to do this, we need to get rid of this completely. Somehow. Yeah, we need to deal with height and width in here. So if I'm a size of 3 blocks, I need to check with more blocks too. So um, we need to we need to shift the responsibilities to this guy. Man, work never finishing. I can keep it here because I have the reference of the value, but it will require some kind of loops. Because of the character is smaller than the block itself, it needs specific calculation too. So it's need more, yeah. The thing is, this guy is checking the solidity of the block, and it need an integer, the exact position of the map. So it cannot check partial things. It check either this, or this, or this, or this, but it cannot check the half of it. So to be honest, my hand is not working as much as I want to. Yeah, later on I need to add transparent colors, and we add blocks like these to make a floor. Oh yes, I need to move the camera too. So we need to do this step next time. And we need to move the camera. So we need to do the step before we do the animation. And hopefully we will do more work next time. Actually, hopefully I will do more work today. So thank you for watching. Let me save everything. I already done whatever. And see you next time.